Hey guys, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today I have for you a dedicated organize my closet with me. So I'm going to be color coordinating stuff and basically just fully organizing it, because even though I have tried my best to keep it somewhat organized since we moved, it is still not as I really wanted, and all of my shoes are still in a box. So this is what it's currently looking like right now. I want to start on the top because the bottom is really bad. Yep, pretty bad. Back there's two boxes full of shoes. So I'm planning on getting rid of all of those cubes and organizing whatever's in there in this dresser and trying to get rid of as much as I can. And I have this mirror. I honestly don't know how I fully feel about this mirror here. I feel like I should have definitely went with something on this door, but as of right now, it's going to stay like that. I also don't love the fact that this light is like a yellow light. You can't tell right now, but it does have a warm tone to it. So I have a chandelier or one of those like IKEA lights, and I want to switch it. I just don't think it has the same like regular light bulb situation, but I don't know if it connects to the chandelier that I have from IKEA. So I'll test it out because this is definitely different than my old apartment. But yeah, first things first, I am going to be working by section, and the way that I like to do it is get everything out, fold it nicely, and then organize it. So I'm going to start off with this side, which has my jeans and some of my winter jackets, blazers, sweaters. I got 3 packs of these to fit my mom dresser. Let's see how many fits in one. So just finished the drawers. I have some PJs here, underwear. The next one, I have my t-shirts, socks, bras. And the last, I have workout clothes. I am forever finding money and stuff that I should not be finding in my pockets. And here is the after. Alright, so now for the tour slash rundown of the closet, starting with the chandelier. This is from IKEA. I previously had it in my old bedroom before, but if I'm being honest with you guys, I don't really like it, especially because it doesn't brighten up the room as much as I like. After thinking about it, I feel like it just doesn't really light up the room as much as I would like. I changed the light bulb a bunch of times to different ones that I have here, and it's just the fact that the chandelier falls lower, so the previous light definitely lit up the room really nicely, especially on the top shelf. I know that I can add LED lights to the shelves, but honestly, the previous light did an amazing job, so I'm going to make Eric take it down. Even though it took him forever to put this one up, I feel really bad, but the old light definitely worked better. Towards the left, I have here my jackets, blazers, cardigans, and sweaters, so mostly fall and winter items. So I just have some jean jackets, leather jackets, blazers, then cardigans, and my sweaters, following with like some two-piece sets and stuff. I try my best to color coordinate everything by section, and then above I have my jeans, which aren't necessarily perfectly folded, but at least they're folded and have a designated area. These are all shorts right here, and then the rest are just regular jeans, some ripped jeans and stuff. Above I have my purses, which aren't all, but for now those are the ones that I have there, and I still need to organize them a different way, I feel. Now, all the way in the bottom, this is temporarily because I don't know if I'm going to keep it there or add it to the coat closet that we have, like storage bins like these. I think I want to get a different dresser here, but for now I have some of my summer shoes and belts. This one's empty, my flats, and then in these I just have my bathing suits. Straight across I have my coats, and again I tried to have it color coordinated with white, grays, blacks, and then some browns and the pop of color, which is red. And then these are all jumpsuits or like rompers. Moving on to this corner, I have my pants folded, so like more on the dressy pants, and then the jeans back here are the wide pants. Continuing, I have here my winter shirts, so like turtlenecks and more winter and fall shirts, and then some scarves right here because I don't have a place for it as of right now. And then this is my summer section, so some dresses, shirts, skirts, blazers, and then right below it I have the mom dresser, which is the one that I shared earlier. I ended up organizing it with the actual IKEA organizers. So the first one has all of my PJs, underwear. Second has some socks, some t-shirts and bras. And then the bottom has all of my workout clothes. In this area right here, I have temporarily my foldable rack, my clothing rack for fashion hauls. I originally got it to fit under the bed, but the previous bed that we had, it doesn't fit there. So hopefully the new bed that we ordered does fit, and we can use this space for other things. Right here, I have a mirror, which honestly, not my favorite location because I feel like I just look cramped and I'm too tall for it to really use up that mirror. So I'm thinking of taking this down and buying a different mirror to put behind the door. All right, so now for the shoes and shelf. If you're new to my channel, the shelves we installed from Home Depot. So we just got custom shelves and then these little brackets right there. Eric thankfully installed those for me. On the top, I just have my winter boots. I tried to color coordinate everything as well. Here are some of my pumps and heels. On the top, I still have more boots. Then this is the black section of heels. And then some more nudes, neutrals, and summer shoes in the summer section. And then all the way on the top, I have more sneakers. I feel like it's really hard to see with the chandelier, but that's what that looks like. But yeah, that's pretty much my closet, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. I cannot believe that I have my very first walk-in closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will be linking the stuff that I can in the description box, like my closet essentials, such as the hangers, the bins here, the dresser, the organizing for the dresser, the mirror, as well as the chandelier. But thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Bye!